The summer wind came blowing in from across the sea. It lingered there to touch your hair and walk with me. All summer long we sang a song as we strolled the golden sand. Two sweethearts and the summer wind, like painted kites, those days and nights they went flying by. The world was new beneath the blue umbrella sky. Then softer than a piper man, one day it called to you. I lost you to the summer wind. Well, the autumn wind and the winter wind, they have come and gone. But still the days, those lonely days, they go on and on. But guess who sighs his lullabies through nights that never end? My fickle friend, the summer wind. The autumn wind and the winter wind, they have come and gone. But still the days, those lonely days, they go on and on. But guess who sighs his lullabies through nights that never end? My fickle friend, the summer wind. Ooh, that summer wind.
Yes? Kitty, that fly started on your shoulder and did the whole song on your shoulder. I lost you to the summer wind. Oh, that summer wind.